welcome to Kiki and her gang. Today we will be doing a video and it is sponsored by MEW. I'll leave the link down below. They sent me 3 gowns, like dresses, that I'm going to try on today, and my sons are going to rate them 1 through 10. Alright, so guys, these are the rules. Stop. So, what, Ace? Alright. So guys, if you want to see these beautiful dresses, continue watching. If you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to our channel. You already know, like, comment, and subscribe. Now, King, Eli, and Ashad are going to rate these dresses. I don't know what much Ashad is doing, but King and Hadi are going to rate the dresses. So, you guys got to rate the dresses 1 through 10.
Okay.
Alright? 10 being the best, 1 being hell no, okay? So, 1 through 10. Alright, guys, let's get ready. First, we're going to open. Ooh, baby. So, here's one of the gowns. I don't even remember what gowns I picked. But, I'm going to leave the link to all of them down below. Oh, the bag ripped. Wait, Aces. So this is a glimpse of one of them. Spicy. And this is another one. It's like this one is the lace dress. So I'll be right back.
Yes, yes, yes. Stop.
This is dress number 1. Get into it. Look at it. It even give me some boobs. Alright, guys, you gotta rate the dress.
A 9.5.
What's it giving, Hadi? What is it giving? A what?
8.5. Just because you said it gave me boobs.
Yeah, hater. Ace, what you give mommy? 10? Ace, mommy 10?
Say a 5.
Dress is nice, okay? My kids was talking junk because I was struggling with zipping it in the back. People made comments. Oh, it's too tight. It don't fit. Your booty too big. But the dress did fit, and it's snatched, and it is giving what it's supposed to give. And I'm ready to go on a date with my husband and wear this dress.
It was her back that was ugly.
Shut up. Now we're going to go to the next dress. Yes, giving, serving. This is the next dress. I don't know how I really feel about this dress. I don't know how I really feel about this dress. It's real spandex-like. It's real stretchy. But I was struggling getting it on because it has like, you have to tie it here. And the string is very long. The string shouldn't be so long. So yeah, we was in there struggling trying to get this on. It's nice dress for all black, a shot. For all black event. This is how it looks in the back. It's just difficult to put on, okay? So guys, what do you rate this dress?
10.
And it's very long, and I'm very little short, so yeah. You need some high heels for this one. 1 through 10, what do you rate it, guys?
I like it. It's a 10.
What do you rate it, Hadi?
10.
So guys, this is this dress.
Cute.
Given, grown and sexy. Nice dress for an all black event, you know? With some nice heels. Now we're gonna go to the next dress.
This is the last dress. You wanna know what it's giving? Hearts.
It's given Valentine's Day.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about. It's even better. I like it. I like that side.
Looks on the side, giving you some thigh action. And it fits good. It also has like an elastic piece inside. Can you see it? So you can strap it right here to hold your boobs in place. I like that about this one too. This, I don't know, between this one and the first one, these my favorite too. My husband said he liked the black one because he FaceTimed me. And Heidi liked the black one. King, which one is your favorite? Hey, stop.
This one.
King likes this one too. 1 through 10, what do you rate this dress?
11.
11? King must really like this dress.
9.5.
Heidi said 9.5.
Actually, no, 9.
Heidi said a 9. Alright, these are all the dresses that I am trying on today. I will leave the link down below to all the dresses that I've tried on. Be sure to check out MEW website. They have beautiful gowns, all different type of selection of dresses. I promise you, you will definitely find a dress on their site, okay?
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on the notifications when we post another video.
Yes, because we have more content coming your way. So make sure you subscribe to our channel. Until next time. Bye, guys.